Welcome again to my tutorial video today on how you can easily copy trade on PU Prime app, and I will show you how to copy trade, the setup you need on how to copy trade on PU Prime app, not on PU Social right now in this video. Try to subscribe, follow, like, and comment below. Let me know which country are you watching from this particular tutorial. So it's very simple. This is the app, and you must have money in your account first. I'm just showing example on how you can do it. So let's go back to the web browser. This is the web browser. It's the same thing. And why this is the app. All right, it's the same thing. But you can easily create a Sense account on the web browser. That's the first thing you need to do. Make sure you come to this particular account. You can see my cycle. You come to accounts, then you need to just open an account which is standard. All this one are dollar account. It's a dollar account. It's a dollar account. Right now, let's go back to how you can open accounts on Sense using copy trading. Then you come to this particular area. You come to open accounts. You can see you open an account here. I'm going to show you. Then this is a live account. Then you select this one, popular copy trading. This one is popular copy trading. Then you select the standard. Then you select which account. You come to Sense. Just follow this step. Sense. Make sure you select standard. All right. So standard. Then it's USD account. You can all this one is optional wherever. You can name it. You can click on this one. You can say write, and then you can say my copy trading is that. You can just name it like this, FS copy trading, optional, add note and everything. Then you can see I've already done. So I'll just click on this submit. You can see, make sure I'll not click on this submit button down here. It's that simple. All right, it's now load. It's sent. Now your app additional account live is being set up, and you will receive an email with your login details shortly. You can check the review status. The account is being created right now. So all we need to do is to just make sure to transfer money to this particular USC account that we just created right now. For sent account, you come to deposit, then you follow the prompt and the amount you want to go for. All right, let's say you want to go to either 2000 from, let's say you want to go for 10,000 USC. 10,000 is around $100. You click on continue, then you fund the account. All right, you fund the account minimum with which is $100 to $200 and above. So so you just make sure to allow it to load up. Then you select the payment method. All right, then you select. I normally use BEP20, this one. I'll click on continue. Then all right, then I'll copy the wallet address given to me. Then I'll fund. All right, I'll fund. So right now, the money has been reflected already. So then if you want to, then the next step now, we need to transfer this money we have on our standard account, on our dollar account, to our cent account. So we need to do that. This money is on what? It's on USD. It's on USD. So I need to transfer the money from this one to this particular one I just created, copy trading. So you can do it on the app. You can also do it here as well. All right, you can come to fund. So okay, you can come to this down below, fund. You fund. All right, then you click on this transfer between. All right, you can do it on the app as well. You come to transfer between, then you select the account that the money is. Sent account, we have standard account. So you select, then you now go back. You now come to this area and select which account you want to go for to confirm the accounts. Sent account. Then this is the account I just can you see the account I just created? This is the one. All right, USCM. Can you see this one? So I can just, all right, from this account I want to, so you want to so you now try to, you can get $100. Okay, is the okay, let me just put 10,000 USD. All right, okay, if I put max, let me just use $100, which is to start, and you now click on submit. All right, then you now ask for your details and everything, then you can you see submit successfully. You will now click on this view orders. You now have already transferred the money to the new account I just posted. You can see I've already transferred. So let me just go to home page. All right, so let me just go to the accounts. All right, let me just go to the accounts here to see. It's very, very simple. So let's scroll down. You can see we have now 10,000 USC, 10,000 UXC. Okay, right now let's continue and go and show you. Let me show you how to copy a professional trader right now after successfully funding your account with minimum of $100, which is 10,000 USC. You come to this trade, click on that trade. I will also show you guys on how to do that on the app as well. It's the same thing. So you can see it has already opened the something. Then you scroll down. You need to just select the account. All right, you click. All right, you select the account. So the account that is money, you have to just master the account number. So that's the account I copy. Then I will now search for the trader. I can click on search. I'll now type in, all right, good. All right, let me just search for the guy I want to be using. So I'll now click on this search button. I'll now search for the guy I want to copy. I will not try to come to this area. I will not try to click on the guy I want to copy. This is just a tutorial for you guys to know how to do that. Then I will now, you can check the history of the guy, how the guy is making money, how the guy, everything about the guy, 5% daily returned. You can see. So then about you can see. So right now you just click on this copy. This is the how to copy on the on the web browser. Then make sure you select this area and leave it as equivalent use margin like this. Then you, all right, just leave it like this. All right, then all right, then this is available balance 10,000 USC. Then you scroll down, you set your stop loss as 50% stop at. That's how they do it. All right, then you take profit. Don't select anything here. Don't select anything here. Don't select anything here. Then this one, you can leave this one like this. This one, don't do that. You can see, you now click on this submit. Then you now submit. That is how you are going to do it on the what? On the app. All right, it's very simple and easy. All right, now click on submit. It's very simple and easy strategy. Then let me just click on this submit. 50% stop loss, take profit, don't do anything, check equity used by margin, submit. You now submit successful. So this is how you can do it on the what? On the web browser. Let's go back to the app right now. It's that, can you see I've already started copying the guy. Then I'll now click on OK. I'll now click on OK right now. It's that simple. I'll start copying. Then if you want to stop, you can come to this. All right, you can click on stop copy. It's that simple. You can see another setting. Let me show you. Simple settings. You can do any settings of, you can see it's that simple and easy. So then you click on cancel, stop. So if you want to check the details and everything, you can do this. All right, All right, if you want to check details, everything, select details. You are good to go. Very simple. You can see. Then if you want to manage and everything, I think I'll start copying right now. Open price. So it has starts as I'm start copying the guy right now. So at the moment, then you can see this is the history, position, everything you can check. Exact simple. So that's how you can start copying the guy. Then if you want to manage, you can manage as well. It's that simple. Hard font, stop, copy, everything. So that's how you can do it. Let's go back to the app right. All right, this is the app. How you can easily do it on the app. So I can use, let me even use another account to demonstrate on how you can copy Gold Billion. Right, let me just say search for its name. I'll search Gold Billion. All right, Gold Billion. I'll just search for its name. All right, when I search for its name on Gold Billion, you search, you come to this, search for its name. All right, here you search. All right, search for its name, then you come to, you view it. If you want to copy, you now come to copy. It's very simple how to copy on what you come to copy. Just do the same thing. You can change it this one to a multiplier on the app. So invest, just put your investments. It means here. Then you can use 0.1 here. Here, just put 1 here. All right. Then the copy, open trade, don't tick it, then you click on this submit. It's that simple on how you can just do it. Very simple and easy. Thank you guys for watching the video. Do well to subscribe, like, and share. Bye for now.